Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your doorbell suddenly stops working and pressing the button gives absolutely no sound, no light or no response at all, it can definitely become upsetting, especially when visitors are left standing outside unnoticed. Sometimes the problem starts after a power interruption, while other times the doorbell slowly stops responding without any obvious reason. A no power issue can happen because of wiring interruptions, transformer problems, loose connections, or a doorbell component simply not receiving power correctly. Before assuming the whole system completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many doorbell power issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix no power to a doorbell. Try these. Step 1. Press the doorbell button and check if the doorbell system reacts at all. Step 2. Inspect power connected to the doorbell transformer if the doorbell system stays completely inactive. Step 3. Check visible wiring around the doorbell system for anything loose or disconnected. Step 4. Look at the chime connected to the doorbell system and confirm it still appears powered properly. Step 5. Restart power linked with the doorbell system if a recent outage happened nearby. Step 6. Test the doorbell system again and confirm power begins returning normally.